I know, it's been a while. Welcome back to the Stratosphere. What have we been up to? We're going rallying. Well, not exactly, but we are going to a rally. Right, we are off to Prescott, heading over Mingus Mountains, so there will be some hopefully good footage. We're going to test 2 new cameras up against the GoPro, so we'll see what's what. Several people holding me up, including a motorcyclist, and a little bit of fun. Well, I have to say that was all a bit of a fiasco, honestly. First off, I was heading across the mountains west at sunset, so none of the footage in the car is particularly good. And because I was trying to do a back-to-back test with the GoPro and the SJ cam, they were both dashboard mounted, so we got a fair comparison. And the rallying was delayed due to some incidents. And so by the time the stage actually got rolling, it was dark. So we were basically just watching headlights go around a field. One way or another, didn't actually get to test out the cameras very well either, which was a bit disappointing. So the first bit was the GoPro, trusty old GoPro, and that second kind of muted section was the standard SJ cam. Thankfully, Captain Slowsworth had been there all day and got a little bit of footage for your enjoyment of the Prescott Rally in action. was that. We'll have to get out again and test the cameras another time. Meanwhile, in other news on the Stratos front, I haven't heard a lot from Angelo with his build. I'm not sure there's much progress. I think he's accumulating parts at the moment. Talking of which, I've heard from another viewer who has invested in a Hawk Stratos, and he will be fitting the Ferrari 308 motor, just like Captain Slowsworth. I did an episode recently on what motor should you put in a Stratos replica, and I think these two are probably kind of, if you're going for the authentic Italian motor, then the Ferrari 308, I know it's a V8, but it's a Ferrari motor, and of course the Alfa is a V6, and it's an Alfa motor. But both of them put out about the same horsepower, which is roughly equivalent to the originals. So I think they're your kind of best choices for authentic. And on the subject of building things, there's these new guys on the block. How exciting is that? A company called Group 4, again out of the UK, putting together Stratos kits, with prices starting around 20,000. That's really just for the bodywork, honestly, and the chassis. Once you start getting into it, you're looking at 30 plus, and of course then you've got to get a motor and blah, 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 blah. But anyway, it's another alternative. I don't know much about them other than what's on their website. So if any of you guys have got any more info, then please do leave it in the comments for everyone's enjoyment and education. And still on the subject of new things, my friend Knack sent me this. Apparently it's a Tesla for the Far East market, and somewhat Stratos-esque, certainly at the rear. Oh, and of course the windscreen. Pretty little car, actually. Shame about the motor. Well, I think that's about it, honestly, for this time around. Just the usual stuff. If you thought the video was any good, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down here if you haven't already. And encourage others to watch my lunacy.